This guy goes to pick up a pizza. He's not wearing a seatbelt. He crashes a car. Pizza's flipped up all over the place. Pepperoni everywhere. He's dead. Second. What's happening, people? I got this cab the other day, right? Starts telling me his life story. I'm in the back. In my country, I was a doctor. What? I was a doctor in my country. I was like, keep your eyes on the road, mate. Well, we need a doctor after this ride. I was a doctor. What do you need to become a doctor in your country? A driving license. English people get a lot more independence. Indian people don't get the independence. English, like, when you want to move out, you're never allowed to move out of our family home. Dad, I want to move out. I want to get my own. You want to do what? I want to get out and get... You never leave this house. You don't leave. I'm dead. You're dead. Everybody's dead. And you still don't leave. English people a lot more independence. When are you going to move out, son? You're 5 now. When are you going to get out and got a job, you scroungy little slag? Get out and take your kids with you. A lot more independent. Now, when I was growing up, I grew up in the 70s where there was no money. You know you got no money when your family reused margarine tubs. That's when you know you're skint. You can't believe it's not butter. That's because there's mincemeat in that shit. I got mincemeat on my toast in the morning. My family used to think water was a preservative. Like, say there was no soap in the house. Dad, there's no soap in the house. He thought, put water into the soap, you get more soap out of it. It's not technically correct, is it? Dad, there's no soap. Don't worry, put water in the soap. Shake the soap. You got more soap. There's war on my hands now. I got homeopathic soap. We used to have fish and chips once a week. There was no ketchup in the house. Dad, there's no ketchup. Don't worry, put water in the ketchup. Shake the ketchup. You got more ketchup. I've got red war on my chips now. I've got soggy chips. I had so much war on my plate, the fish started swimming about again. Family thought if you put stuff in the freezer, it lasts forever. Fresh in the freezer. We used to have stuff that was well past it. It's a freezer, not a time machine. We used to have chicken, fish, dodo. It's different. That's why I break down barrier. Like, I travel on Virgin planes now, right? Problem is, when I travel abroad on Virgin planes, you can phone up your people, tell them when you're arriving at your destination. They've got phones on the planes. Problem is, most of my family speak Punjabi abroad. So when I'm telling them I'm arriving, I've got to tell them in Punjabi. I was on the plane, I was like, on my flight 749, 10 minutes to which land karda pya. The guy next to me shit himself. He phoned up his wife and told him he loved her. And he might never see her again. I didn't want to ruin the surprise. I started reading the Quran. This country hasn't quite clamped down, even the government, you know? Problems in this country. You get stabbed in this country, they won't find the killers. But if you drive down a bus lane, they'll take a picture of you in the car and send it to your house within 48 hours. So if you get stabbed, make sure you get stabbed in a bus lane. problem, you know. Even like people don't even wear their seatbelts to the car. Government had this campaign, going to try and help people wear a seatbelt. This guy goes to pick up a pizza. He's not wearing a seatbelt. He crashes the car. Pizzas flipped up all over the place. Pepperoni everywhere. He's dead. Second take, he picks up a pizza again, crashes a car. This time he's wearing a seatbelt. Pizzas flipped up all over the place. Pepperoni everywhere. But he survives. He says, what have you learned from this video? I'm like, get your pizza delivered.